Okay, let us start the class. Now in Python we will try to understand Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. What do you mean by Fibonacci series? Suppose in Fibonacci series 0, 1, these two numbers common. Of next numbers will be addition of these two numbers. Next 0 plus 1, 1. Next number 1 plus 1, 3. Next number 3 plus 1, 5. Next number 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Next number 8 plus 5, 13. Next number 13 plus 8, 21. Next number 21 plus 13, 34. Like this. This is called Fibonacci series. Okay. Initial number 0, next 1. These two 0, 0, 1. These are compulsory. After that, next numbers will be addition of numbers. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 3. This is the Fibonacci series. Now how to get the Fibonacci series? By the programming. First of all, take the user input. Okay, so user input, take any number, input function, string, enter a number. So now this is a string kept in single quotation marks. Okay, this number can be, string can be kept in single quotation mark, double quotation marks, doesn't matter. After that, now this is to be stored in a variable. Keep a variable where, suppose where is a variable, take any xyz, doesn't matter. Now indentation, no indentation here. Okay, so whatever the number you print here, that will be treated as a string. So you need to put int function here to convert that string into integer. Okay, now come down. So the number whatever you pass, that will be treated as a string stored in this variable, and before storing it will be converted into int. Okay, now come down. Next line of code, take two variables. Okay, two variables. The first variable is equals, set its value as 0. Second, one more variable, set its value 1. Why? Because we need to first get these two values, print. Okay, so first value is equal to 0 and second value is 1. Two variables declared and defined like this. And then use if statement. Okay, if where less than equal to 0. Okay, less than equal to 0. So this if statement, always if statement must be terminated with this colon. Now come down. Okay, this variable, so whatever the user input, that is less than or equal to, suppose if you paid user 0, so 0 is equal to 0. So one print statement, we request one print statement that is to be like this. Okay, please enter number greater than okay 0. Okay, this statement, suppose if user entered 0, so now that 0 is equal to 0, so please enter a number greater than 0. This statement to be printed. After that, else means if user passing more than, means greater than 0. Greater than 0 means if he is passing 1. Okay, user input is 1, then you use for loop here. For I in range, take a range function here. range function from the range to be defined from here to here, 0 to x. X means where. Okay, so always for loop to be terminated with the colon. So range from 0 to where means whatever the user, suppose user is requesting series of 7 numbers. This is series of how many numbers? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So somewhat. Okay, now come down. Now take a print out here, print. Now you pass, take a formatted string here. I have explained formatted string start with the F and quotation marks. Okay, within this quotation marks we need to write Fibonacci series of you put flower braces here, flower braces. Within this flower braces you pass this whatever the user feeding, that will be stored in this variable. So now where, okay, after that numbers. So formatted string always be used for user defined customized output. Okay, so after that here always the first variable, whatever the value first variable stores, that will be printed. Okay, then that result will be in horizontal form. This operator, end operator, so your result will be in horizontal form. Otherwise, if you remove this end operator, you will get the result in vertical form. Okay, this is okay. Now you come down. Now 3 lines of code we need to write. That is what take one variable temp, it holds this first variable. Okay, now next second. So whenever temporary variable holds the value of first variable, and next first variable holds the second. Okay, next second is what? Second holds temp plus second. Temp means temporary variable plus second. This line of code. Now what happened? Now let us see. If you execute this line of code, compile this one, you will get what? Try. See, enter a number 7. So Fibonacci series of 7 numbers is equal to 0 7 0 1 1 2 3 5. Okay, but you remove this one, this end operator. Remove this end operator. Now you will get them all in how you are getting 7. So you will get the output like this. The Fibonacci series of 7 numbers, Fibonacci series 0 1 1, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, up to 8 numbers. Okay, up to 8 number. This is, suppose if you want to get up to this is 7 numbers, 7 8 9 10. We need to pass the value as one more time. If you are requesting for 10 numbers Fibonacci series, so Fibonacci series of 10 numbers up to 34. So what happened? See, here I have used this formatted text without any space.